Here's how to get new promo codes for Marble Contest of Champions. So what you need to do is to search it on Google and you will be able to see there the latest champion codes for January 2026. Once you have already see there the first website, what you need to do is to scroll down until you see there the new Marble Contest of Champion codes. So as you can see, there are varieties of codes that you can use. There was a lot of them. All you need to do is to copy this code and go ahead and redeem it to the Champions game. Next is you will be able to see there the expired codes. So all you need to do is to take note of that so that you can avoid complication when you are going to redeem the codes. At the website, you will be able to see there the steps on how are you going to redeem the code. So go to the Contest of Champions shop page, and all you need to do is to go ahead and log in your Kabam accounts. So you can also get more free rewards or codes on Marvel Contest of Champions if you go ahead and redeem it to online shop pages that is actually correlated and partnered with the Marvel Champions game.